With a little help from his friend, Percy draws the saloons out off the yard and then into the platform where the Preston and District Model Railway Society can board their special train. Incidentally, this Percy model is the original, built in 1949 from a modified Larco Dockland saddle tank kit.
Yes, Mike.
This roughly predates his appearance in the first Railway Series book which he was in by about 2 years.
Morning.
Yeah, but it's night time over there.
Oh, right.
And it's morning over here.
Having gone back to the lay-by for a well-earned drink, James the Red Engine backs down onto the saloons. Eventually, James departs promptly at 6 p.m, taking a token with him from the signalman. At Elsbridge, the token is handed to Thomas the Tank Engine, who brings it with him at 6:25. Here comes Thomas with his faithful coaches, Annie and Clarabelle. This Thomas is the second of Awdry's 3 models, dating from 1978, and is a repainted Cheyenne Ginty. The first coach, Annie, was built in 1927 when Wilbert was a teenager, and Clarabelle to match 20 years later. This, combined with the first Thomas model in 1949, were built whilst he was writing the 4th book in his Railway Series collection, titled Tank Engine Thomas Again, his first set on his branch line. At 1827, Toby emerges from the quarry line. Incidentally, this branch off the branch is one of the earliest railways on the island, drawn here on a map of Thomas's branch line from January 1959, made by Wilkes himself. He then pulls forward so the points can be changed behind him, and runs around his train, ready for an evening departure back down the branch line. Forward to arrange his train, and having done so, at 1907, 2 hours later, he leaves. He has a load of people who will want to spend an evening out among the bright lights of Knapford and Tibneth, and will drop the milk van at Elsbridge Dairy on his way down.
She can signal through to go along the quarry line.